Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver after 2020, what we have seen, after making this particular low, we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, and this upside was in this range. After making a high of around $30, it was in this range and this level has been touched twice. Okay, so understand something, if the price comes close to this level, so chances are very high it can cross that particular zone. This is the first thing that you have to understand. It is for the future. Suppose if the price comes close to around 29, then chances of crossing 30 is on a higher side. Second thing is that there is a huge volatility we have seen after March of 2022, because few of the factors that affected situation was there. Fear of recession was there, Fed was continuously increasing the rates, and USD dollar getting straightened. Okay, see, there is a continuous upside we have seen since 4 weeks. As you can see, 4 candles are forming. Okay, and a swing is forming at a level of around $19.9. Okay, and this is the level that you have to understand is a strong support. That is where we have seen a bounce back has come. So if the price comes again to close to this particular level, it can again bounce back. But if it didn't bounce back, then this will act as a resistance where the price of silver was moving. Okay, and once this range break upside, now it is trading at around $24.959. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that. See, $24.5 to $1. This is the range. Okay, so if the price comes close to this level, we can see a bounce back can come and it can move further upside. Suppose if the price sustains this level, chances are very high. Okay, it has already made a high of around $25. Okay, so if it comes close to this level, that okay, so what will happen, that $24.5, it will come to this level and it can bounce back again towards an upside. So okay, so suppose if the price sustains this level, what we can see, it can move further upside and a probability of touching $25.381 is there. Okay, and if the price move up that particular level, it can go further upside and can cross a level of around $25.701. This $25.710 is again a weak resistance, so chances of going further high is there. Then we can see it can go further upside and can cross a level of this particular zone, and chances of touching a level of 26.025 is there. And once the price sustain above this particular level, it can cross that particular zone, and chances of going towards a level of 26.271 is there, which is again a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross a level of this particular zone and it can touch a level of 26.983. Keep this in mind. Once the price sustain this level, chances of going further high is there, because this level we have not seen since March of 2022, so chances will be high it can cross a level of around $26.853, which is already a weak resistance, so chances of going further upside is there. And then we can see it can go towards a level of 24.937 to a level of 27, and then further upside the price sustain. Okay, now see, there is a continuous upside, so chances of going further high is there, as well as a support, which is a strong support at a level of $24.5 is there. So we can see a bounce back can come. Okay, so chances can be high. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, the next support we can see coming at around $24.752. So we can see a bounce back can come from this particular level. If this support didn't sustain, the next support we can see coming at around $24.658. Okay, and if we can see a bounce back from this particular level. Okay, now suppose if that level also didn't sustain, the next support coming at around $24.215, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $23.616. Keep this in mind. Once the price started falling, chances will be very high that after crossing a level of $24.675, chances of going towards 24.215 is there, and from there we can see it can move directly towards 23.769. And once started falling below that level, then we can see a level of $23.468 to a level of around 23.176. And if the price fall below that particular level, it can go towards a level of $22.673, and then further if the price break this particular zone. If you look at this particular trend, it is moving continuously on our upside. As soon as it breaks this particular zone, chances can be high it can move further low, and a probability of going towards 22.602, a level of 22.391 is there, and then further low if the price didn't sustain. Okay, and if the price fall below a level of 23, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs as well in the description. And if you want to attend that workshop where I teach how to trade, when to trade, and how to wait patiently, trading psychology, fundamental and technical analysis, all these things which a trader do mistakes at. Okay, if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my